Labor Day. It's 6:47 right now, 66 degrees outside, going up to a high of 84. Pediatricians, many cases of heart murmur in young children go undiagnosed. Not always is the noise from rapid blood flow through the heart loud enough to be noticed, but heart murmurs can occur for a variety of reasons, including physical damage to the heart. Life has not always been child's play for 15-month-old Andrew Kesnicka. After doctors detected a heart murmur, they soon found that Andrew was born with severe structural damage to his heart. Andrew's mom says the condition often sapped him of his energy.
He wasn't getting enough oxygenated blood, so therefore he couldn't do as much.
But 2 months ago, doctors repaired Andrew's damaged heart valve, and his murmur disappeared. And while not all heart murmurs are serious, in Andrew's case, the murmur was a sign of a bigger problem with his heart.
In the child who has severe obstruction, the right chamber can either dilate up or the walls become extremely thick. And the flow itself can change, the color of the child can change.
Dr. Connor says heart murmurs are not uncommon in children, especially during growth spurts. Rapid body development forces the heart to work harder and pump more blood. And in some children, that rapid blood flow creates a noisy but harmless vibration.
If the heart has not adjusted itself to that extra workload, you can produce noise across these valves just simply from the extra volume of blood. Once the heart has then adjusted itself upward to accommodate that new blood flow, those murmurs can then disappear.
Experts say warning signs of a heart murmur that parents should look for include rapid breathing or panting, a loss of appetite, clammy skin, or mood changes. But once it's properly diagnosed and watched, many children are able to lead healthy and normal lives.
He basically will grow in a normal pattern. He'll be able to be active and basically should do fairly well.
Doctors say some heart defects don't cause heart murmurs at all, and in some cases murmurs can cease even though physical damages to the heart are worsening. Bertha.
All right. Thanks, Nancy.